Okay, it is always so difficult to film in my car. Let me turn that off. I just had the camera balancing on something right now. Hey, welcome to my channel. My name is Sarah. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. Today, I'm going to take you along with me on a little shopping trip. We are going to go to a few different places, and then if everything works out, I am going to show you my little haul once I get back to my house. So the first stop I have today is Burlington, which I haven't been to in years. There hasn't been one in my city, so the last one I went to was in a different city, but then we just got a new one and it looks pretty nice because the last Burlington I went to was a little shoddy. So I'm really excited. One of the things I'm going to be looking for is a carry-on sized luggage bag for an upcoming trip that I am going on. So we are going to see if they have that and basically just anything else, because I'm not even entirely sure everything that Burlington Coat Factory has. More than coats, I know that, but yeah, so come along with me and let's buy some stuff. Look at these giant dressing rooms. Okay, so I have 4 items that I'm going to be trying on that I picked up. Okay, the first thing we have is this army green denim skirt from American Eagle. I do like this, but it is a bit too big, and this is the only size I saw. If it was a little bit smaller, like pulled like this, I would definitely buy it because it's also only $7.99. I guess I could wear a belt with this, but I really don't want to. Okay, the next item are these comfy joggers. These are only $9.99. The brand is Elizabeth and Nicole. And these are like really smooth, athletic type joggers with little pockets here, pockets here. I really like the fit of these, and I think they'd be perfect for hiking. And I've actually been looking for some hiking pants that have additional pockets like this, so I think I'm gonna get this. I also got this one-shouldered top, which is only $3.49, and I really like it. I think it's supposed to be a sports bra, but I feel like I could even wear this as like a crop top with some high-waisted pants like this. I could even see myself wearing these 2 items together. Okay, this top is from Forever 21 and it's only $4.99. This one I am on the fence because I'm not sure like where I'd wear it. It's beautiful, it's velvet, and I love the color, but I just don't know where I would see myself actually wearing this. I don't know. This one I'm gonna think about. This so much. Looks so royal. Oh my gosh. But okay, so I am having issues with my phone and I have a replacement coming, so I'm filming on my old phone, so I hope it looks and sounds okay. But just went to Burlington, got a fair amount of things, and I'm pretty excited to show you in the haul later. I am on to my next stop, which I thought I should get coffee because, you know, I'm out and about. Coffee and shopping goes hand in hand, and I deserve it, right? No. We stopped at Starbucks. I would choose somewhere local, but there's nowhere local nearby, so let's go get some. Okay, I got an Americano, and it's pretty good. Now I'm sitting outside of Five Below, and I'm gonna go do some damage. Okay, so Five Below was actually not as productive as I thought it was going to be. Usually I go in there and I have to tell myself not to buy too much, because even though everything's $5, it adds up once you start putting 20 things in your cart. So I only got a couple of things and nothing that I'm like hugely excited about. Little side rant, don't you absolutely hate men with big old trucks that park in 2 parking spaces just because they think they deserve it? There's someone parked right next to me like that, and I'm just... So I think I'm gonna go to Target next, or Gabe's, I'm not sure. I don't really need anything else, but this isn't enough for like a full-on haul quite yet, so. Okay, so I finished up at Gabe's and I got a couple things, but there wasn't a ton that was intriguing me. I was going to go to some other places, but the sun is starting to set and I want to walk my dog before it gets dark. Even if I don't, I will go home and show you the haul. Okay, now I'm going to show you my entire haul of what I got. And honestly, I didn't think I had got that much until I was unloading the bags from my car. I was like, oh, did I really spend that much? First thing, I already showed this, but this is a carry-on size luggage that I got for $49.99. It has a 10-year warranty. The brand is Revo Luggage, but I was looking for something that was specifically carry-on size for plane. Most of my traveling is just via car, but I thought for my upcoming trip where I do have to fly, I wanted something that is like the maximum size that I can get for free as a carry-on, but also not have to like carry on a duffel bag or a backpack. So it's quite nice. I mean, I was rolling around the store with it. This I got from Burlington, and really good deal. Like this type of quality suitcase when I was looking online was probably double the price. I could find some for around this price at like Walmart and Target, but they didn't seem as high quality as this one does, which, I mean, it also comes with a 10-year warranty, so I thought that was pretty cool. That's ultimately what was the deciding factor for me between this one and the green one. I already showed you this, but I got, and please disregard the deodorant stains. I got this one-strapped black bra shirt thing, crop top type thing. That was only $3.49, so an amazing deal. I got those pants with the pockets. This was $9.99. Also seems like a really great deal. And then I also got just like a basic extra dog harness from Burlington, but I already started using it. The next place I went was Five Below, and I'm honestly surprised I didn't find more. Unfortunately, I feel like a lot of what they have hasn't changed in a while, so I've already seen it or own it. The first thing I got is this Hollywood Vanity string light set. So I have this mirror right here where I get ready in the morning, and since I'm facing the window right now, it doesn't get the best lighting in the morning when I'm getting ready, if it's like earlier when the sun's not like fully out. So currently I have just like a single little light there that you press on that was also from Five Below, but I saw this and I thought, why not get one with multiple lights so that I can have even more light when I'm doing my makeup, because sometimes I will even go to like my body mirror over here to like get better lighting. It comes with 7 globes that are each peel and stick, 6 feet long, and this was $5, so not a bad deal. The other 2 items I got are actually makeup products. So they have like LA Girl, Wet n Wild, some of the brands that, I mean, they're under $5 anyway usually, and you can get them at like Ulta or a drugstore. But I ended up trying this Wet n Wild Black is Black Breakup waterproof eyeliner. It's a gel eyeliner, which I've actually been looking for one to like line the top of my eyes that isn't going to transfer down, because all of the ones I've tried recently transfer down, so I just don't really end up using them. And it says it's waterproof, cry-proof, humidity, smudge-proof, 16 hours. So we're gonna give that a test and see if it's actually true.
Yeah, it's not good. Don't buy it.
I also got the LA Colors Browy Wowie, I don't like that name, Skinny Brow Pencil. So this I got in medium brown, and I haven't seen this anywhere else that I've known. It has a skinny tip, which I only buy for my brow pencils. I don't like the thicker tips. LA Colors is most notably sold at Dollar Tree, where it is $1 or now $1.25. But I've never seen this kind at Dollar Tree. Typically they only, if they do have a brow pencil, it's like just like a standard pencil that you have to sharpen. So I am excited to try this, because if it's good, I mean, it was an amazing deal. I think it was $2.50, which is the cheapest brow pencil, like skinny brow pencil, I think, that I have tried. Yeah, I hope it's good quality, because LA Colors, their stuff is really like hit or miss. It's hard to know. So we'll see.
Never mind. LA Colors is not cruelty-free, and I didn't think to check that when I bought it, so won't be repurchasing.
And then my last stop was Gabe's. I had planned to go to more places, but like time was running out. First thing I saw, it's just like high-waisted burgundy bikini bottoms, because they were on sale for $1.99, which is super cheap. Brand is Zoffel, but I only have one pair of high-waisted swimsuit bottoms, and I wanted to get another one, and these were super cheap. So beats paying like $15 or whatever at a normal store. The next thing I got are these velvet hangers. So these are the Kenzie velvet hangers. It's a set of 25 for $7.99, which is almost the best deal I've found. The best deal I've ever found on velvet hangers, because they can get a little bit pricey, is at Ollie's. They were $10 for a pack of 50, which is like amazing, because they sell for like $13 for a pack of 25 at like Marshall's Home Goods. But this is the next best deal. $7.99 for 25. It's less than 50 cents per hanger, which like you can also get 2 for $1 at Dollar Tree, which it's not like a bad deal, but I'd much rather get this many for $7.99 than, you know, what would that be, like $12 at Dollar Tree? Or at least $12 before they changed their prices. So I just got the standard color that they got. They had different brands, but this was like $2 cheaper than the other brands, so I went with this one. Love velvet hangers. I like only use velvet hangers now because they just don't stretch out my clothes as much, and they keep like tank tops on a lot better. And then the last thing we got is this. It was actually on clearance, so hopefully it works. But it is just an adjustable desktop mount for your phone. So it looks like the base is kind of heavy a little bit. And this was only $3, but I thought this would be really good for making TikToks, or, you know, if I'm like ever filming on my phone at my desks. Most of the time I just like sit my phone up against a mug or something to keep it stable, especially when I'm like filming TikToks. So it'd be nice to have something that I can actually adjust the height of and like move it around. I do have the tripod that I'm already filming on, but sometimes I just want to sit at a desk and make TikToks, which is just a little bit easier to use this. So excited to use this, excited to make some more TikToks. Hopefully it's still in decent shape, we'll see. But those are all of the items that I purchased in my little shopping haul, so I hope you enjoyed this. Let me know what you think of this type of video down below in the comments. I would really appreciate if you could give this video a thumbs up, because it really helps out my channel in the algorithm. You can also subscribe, which is much appreciated. But thank you so much for watching. Thank you for your support. Go out and do a little shopping haul yourself, and I will see you in my next video.